every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try such a fun recipe. This is another kind of food which I thought is a made-up food. I thought it only exists in Sims and it's so funny that I'm gonna try it today. So wait, does BLT actually stand for something? Oh my god, it's bacon, lettuce and tomatoes. I would have never thought of that. It's so funny, oh my god. So, needless to say, even though it won't be my first sandwich in my life, but for sure it will be the first BLT one. It's real! Who knew? So, if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out, how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 4 slices of sandwich bread, 6 slices of thinly sliced pancetta, 60 grams of provolone, shredded, 1 tomato, sliced, 15 grams of fresh spinach, 20 grams of pesto, a few leaves of fresh basil, some olive oil, and black pepper. I started by putting my grill pan to preheat over medium-high heat, and while that's happening, I'm gonna start on assembling the sandwiches. So the first thing I wanna do is divide the pesto among the bread and just smear it all over. Now I'm gonna focus only on 2 pieces. This is where I'm gonna build the sandwich and the other 2 pieces will just top it. So I'm gonna take half of the cheese and divide among the 2 pieces of bread, then lay tomato on top of that and season it with a little bit of pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna cook the pancetta for 30 seconds on each side. I reduced the heat to medium for my grill pan and now I'm ready to finish assembling these. So I'm gonna put now the cooked pancetta on top, divide the basil, spinach and the remaining cheese among these 2 pieces and then put these 2 slices on top. Okay, so now the time for these sandwiches to shine. If your grill pan looks drier than this, then you do want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. My pancetta actually produced quite a lot of grease, so I think I'm covered. So I'm gonna put the sandwiches here and grill them for 3 minutes on each side. And that's it. Warm my sandwich, it feels like it is. My Sims have very good taste. I truly thought this is a made-up food. What was the other recipe I tried on this challenge that also was like, I could not believe that it's a real food? I think key lime pie, I think that's it. It's just so funny. When you think that something is from, you know, like a fairy tale or like a game from some made-up world and it turns out to be real, like, can you imagine the excitement? I bet that's how kids feel like all the time. This is cool. I love grill marks. I love that it's juicy. I don't know what not to like. I love the lacy greenness. My favorite kinds of sandwiches and pizzas, for that matter, are the ones which have like so much stuff in it that they look so fat and juicy and just, I don't know. So this is exactly the kind of sandwich I love. And the combination of just juicy inside and crunchy outside, and those grill marks, oh my god! This is amazing. As I have someone who's waiting to try the sandwich as well, I will not talk your ear off. Show you this one more time so you could compare with how Laura's look like. I mean, if I may say so myself, I started, I feel like, becoming better and better at cooking, because more often than not, my food from the first try looks almost exactly how Laura's does, and I just love that. If you want to watch her video, the link is there. If you want the written recipe of this, then check the description down below, and you will find it in both American and the metric system, just to prove that this is a real sandwich. But the most fun part is that BLT actually stands for something. I for sure thought that it's just, you know, whatever, letters. But man, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. Just cannot get over that. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more ideas on different kinds of sandwiches, I have a playlist which you can see somewhere right now. So click away and just choose from a myriad of sandwiches. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!